everybody, my name is Kira Silverman and I am the creative content developer here at Science from Scientists. Today, I want to give a very special shout out to the People's United Community Foundation. This is their third year in a row supporting our in-school module-based STEM enrichment program, where we send 2 real charismatic scientists into schools during the school day to teach hands-on curriculum-based science, technology, engineering, and math activities to students in 3rd to 8th grade classrooms. Their support this year also helped us launch our Science Away from the Classroom website, which provides hands-on, at-home STEM activities that students can do during the global pandemic. Since we launched our Science Away from the Classroom website in March, the People's United Community Foundation has helped us reach 6,700 households across all 50 states and 23 countries. That's a lot of at-home STEM. Their funding this year has also helped us launch our new distance learning initiative, where we're converting our in-school program to a virtual format where our scientists can zoom into students' homes, zoom into classrooms of students, or still participate in our programs in school, in person, with masks, socially distanced. We are so grateful to the People's United Community Foundation for being such a dedicated supporter. We would not be able to conduct our programs without the support of dedicated sponsors like the PUCF. So thank you guys so much. We super appreciate it and look forward to building this partnership and working with you in the future. Thanks, People's United Community Foundation. Want to learn more about SciSci? Visit us at www.sciencefromscientists.org. Before you go, be sure to click subscribe and follow or like @SciScientists on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn.